Let's talk about the key differences between Philips core line and Philips Ledinaire high bay. These high bays are ideal for many different application areas, such as general manufacturing areas, high ceiling lounges, exhibition halls and logistical centers. Regarding energy savings, core line families save up to 65% over conventional lighting, with an efficacy of up to 160 lumen per watt. And Ledinaire 60% with up to 120 lumen per watt. Core line value are available in 3 sizes that deliver 3 lumen packages up to 25,500 lumen. Ledinaire comes in 2 sizes with lumen outputs up to 20,500 lumen. They are all IP65. For a higher impact protection, choose core line. Ledinaire and core line value are non-dimmable, but core line has different dimming options. DALI and smart lighting control. This means they can be wirelessly connected to our smart lighting platform Interact Pro. Installation is easy for the 3 families, as they present a compact design with a connection unit and a hook to suspend the high bay. Core line installation will be faster, as it has a pre-mounted connector. In addition, we offer several mounting accessories as an option for a smoother installation. As a plus, core line has the ENAC mark. If you want to learn more about Philips High Bay, check High Bay in the Signify LoomExpert app.